Chapter 8. More on MS Excel. Hi guys! Already in the former chapter, we were discussing about things with MS Excel, how to modify a worksheet and work within a workbook. Let's now continue our discussion on MS Excel, that means to fill series, Autosum, insert and delete sheets, cells, columns, rows and formatting worksheet. Range. It is a group of adjacent cells in a worksheet. The range is defined by giving the starting cell address and the ending cell address in a range. You know how to select the text in a document. Click the first cell of the group, then drag till the cell you want to end at, or click on the starting cell, then hold down the shift key and use the arrow keys to move to the selection. What is D1, D13? It is an example of range. That means the cells from D1 to D13, that is D1, D2, D3 up to D12 and then D13. To select an entire worksheet, click on the left top corner of the sheet as shown in the figure given below. Autofill. Autofill is used to enter a series of numbers or characters in a specified range. In Excel, you can fill a series of numbers, name of days and months, etc. by dragging the mouse pointer. How to make autofill? Type 1 in the cell A1 and 2 in the cell A2. Select both cells A1 and A2. You can see a small black spot on the right bottom corner of the cell A2. Click on the black spot and drag up to the cell A10. Now you can see the numbers 1 to 10 in the range of cells A1 to A10. This is an easy way to fill a series of numbers. How to make the multiplication table of 10 using autofill method? Let's try the level best to do this. Autosum. Display the sum of selected cells directly after the selected cells. When you click on the Autosum button or the sigma icon, the sum function is entered and total value will be displayed in the cell. Select the cell H2. Click on the Autosum button on the editing group in Home tab and press Enter key. Now, the total marks will be displayed in cell H2 as shown given below. Sort ascending and descending. This option helps you to sort the selected cells in ascending and descending order, that is A to Z or Z to A, 1 to 100 or 100 to 1. How can you prepare the ascending or descending order of the given numbers? First, you select the cells B2 to B6. Click on Sort and Filter option on Editing Group in Home tab. Click on the Sort Smallest to Largest option from the drop-down list. Now, the selected numbers will get sorted in ascending or descending order according to our input in the box. Custom sorting. This option is used to sort the data in user-defined order on the basis of one or more selected rows or columns. Select the entire marked list, then click Custom Sort option from the Sort and Filter drop-down list. Then select Custom Sort option from the Sort and Filter. The drop-down list will appear. Then select Name in the column, Sort by Field and A to Z in the order file. Click OK button. Inserting and deleting sheets, cells, columns and rows. How will you insert a sheet in workbook? Go through the steps as given below. Click on Insert drop-down arrow on Cells group in Home tab. Select Insert Sheet option from the drop-down list. Now a new worksheet will be inserted and it becomes the active sheet. How will you delete a sheet in a workbook? Let us do these steps as given below. Select Delete Sheet option from the drop-down list of Delete option on Cells group in Home tab. Now, the active worksheet will be deleted. Renaming a worksheet. How to change the name of a worksheet? You can right-click or double click on the Worksheet tab at the bottom of the screen and select Rename option from the pop-up menu. Then type a new name and press Enter key to rename the worksheet. Formatting worksheet. This means arranging data in an attractive manner. Using formatting options, you can align the data positions such as left, right, center, and justify. You can also design the font size, font color, cell color, border, etc. Text alignment. This option is used to align text. For example, type the column serial number as aligned left, country and capital as aligned to the center, and currency as aligned right. Now, these alignments will get applied to the worksheet. Text formatting. This option is used to change the font size, font color, bold, italics, etc. Here, the cell serial number, country, capital, and currency are formatted as bold, italic, and underline. Please go through the steps as given. Cell formatting. This option is used to change the cell color, border style, etc. Here, the cell serial number, country, capital, and currency get changes in its background color. Please note the steps given. Cell orientation. This option is used to rotate the text within a cell. It helps you to align data in different orientations according to your choice. If you want to rotate text, you click on Orientation button on Alignment group in Home tab. Select Format Cell Alignment option from the drop-down list. Type an angle in the orientation box. Click OK button. Worksheet Views. You can view the worksheet in 5 different modes as grouped in Workbook Views under the View tab. Normal View, Page Layout View, Page Break View, Page Break Preview, Custom Views, Full Screen View. Normal View. This is default view of the worksheet. Page Layout View. This view shows the margins for each printed page with any headers and footers along with the breaks between each page. Page Break Preview. It acts as a window to view a portion of the worksheet. You can move the page break by dragging it and placing it anywhere on the sheet. Custom Views. It helps you to see or print a specified Microsoft Word 2010 area in your workbook. Full Screen View. This option hides the elements of a window to show more of the worksheet and data on the screen. Once you select Full Screen mode, then return to the normal view, press Escape key. By this, we are coming to the end of this lesson. I think all have learned a lot about different uses of computers. Okay guys, have a nice computing experience. Goodbye.